Dear student, Assalamu alaikum and very good morning. How are you all? Hope all of you are well by the grace of Allah. I am also well. My dear student, welcome to you all in my online math class. So, although the present condition of our country is not good for COVID-19, but Milestone School and College has arranged online classes for you. Hope all of you will be benefited from these classes. My dear students, it is math class. Therefore, you have to have math book, copy, pen, geometry box and other things. Do you have idea what we have learned in the last class? Yes, we have learned in the last class how to draw a rectangle when two adjacent sides are given. My dear students, today I am going to take a class on exercise 8.2 problem number 24. So let's see what is the problem. In 24 number problem, what is given? Here is given two specific lines are A is equal to 6 centimeter, B is equal to 4.5 centimeter, and two angles are X equal to 75 degree, Y is equal to 85 degree, and this is our stem, and we have to draw and we have to answer a creative question on this stem. So what is the first question? First question is draw angle X is equal to 75 degree with pencil and compass. My dear, what is B number question? Considering two lines and adjacent sides, draw a rectangle. We have to draw a rectangle when these two sides will be adjacent sides. Already we have drawn, and after drawing, what we will do? A leveling and construction is needed, and we have to write A, B, C, D, something like that, and we have to draw the figure. And what is C number? C number, we have to draw a trapezium considering A and B, two parallel sides and given two angles on the sides A. Here also what we have to do? We have to do, first of all we have to draw the construction, this figure, and after that we have to level it. So let's see how to solve A number. A number question, again I have repeated this question for better understanding. Draw X angle is equal to 75 degree with the help of pencil and compass. My dear, you cannot draw this figure, it means 75 degree angle, with the help of protector. How you have to draw? You have to draw pencil and compass. So before drawing these types of problem, you have to have, my dear students, compass, otherwise it will be not possible. This is your compass. Take your compass. Now let's see how to draw. First of all we have to take a length. You can take any length, and after that you can draw an arc here like this way, because you see this is the line. You can draw taking any length. You can draw arc, and centering this point we can draw like this way, another arc, same length, taking same length. Then here will be an angle. Do you know how many degree angle already we have drawn here? Yes, it is called 75 degree angle. When you take any measurement and centering this point you will draw an arc like this way. When you will draw an angle, this angle will be how many degree? Do you know? 60 degree. Okay, like this way easily you can draw by the help of compass 60 degree angle. Am I clear to you, my dear students? I didn't use here protractor, just I have used here compass. So you know how to bisect any angle. As it is 60 degree angle, centering this point we will draw an arc here, and centering this point taking same length we will draw another arc here. So my dear, like this way you can draw two arcs and we will join these 2 points. When we will join these 2 points, and here will be an angle. So dear student, already you know how to draw 2 arcs inside of an angle, and when we will join, therefore you can see in a black color it is bisector of angle 60 degree, and as it is bisector, here will be how many degree? 30 degree. This angle will be 30 degree. So like this way we can bisect an angle, that is 30 degree angle already bisected, and again we will bisect this 30 degree. We want to bisect again, so taking any length, centering this point we will draw an arc here, and centering this point we will draw another arc here. See what I have done here? Nothing else, just we want to bisect this 30 degree angle again. When you will bisect, and these 2 points, this point and this point we will join again. When you will join, and after that, do you know how many angle will be formed here? Yes, here 15 degree angle will be formed. When we will bisect 60 degree, it become 30 degree, and when we will bisect 30 degree angle, it become also 15 degree. My dear, already you know how to draw a 50 degree angle by the help of what? Compass. How to draw 30 degree angle by the help of compass. How to draw 60 degree angle by the help of compass. Okay, my dear, this 15 degree angle now we want to join here. Do you know 15 and 60 is equal to what? Our required angle will be produced. Okay, so first of all what we have to do? We have to take the length like this way. We will take the length and we will draw an arc here. Here centering this point we will draw an arc, and again taking this arc measurement, okay, centering this point we will draw an arc here. Do you know why I have drawn like this? Taking centering this point we will draw an arc, and after that centering this point we will draw an arc, and again centering this point we will draw another arc. Taking this measurement, this small measurement, what we will do? We will draw an arc here, and after that we will join these 2 points. When you will join these 2 points, can you tell me what will be the total angle? Yes, here you can see 15 degree angle is added, and if you calculate whole angle here to this point, so what will be the measurement of this angle? Yes, what will be the measurement of this angle? Yes, whole angle will be 75 degree angle. This is our requirement. My dear, it's very easy. Try to draw like this way. You can draw, I think so. Okay, so it is our requirement. That is, what is the question? Draw x is equal to 75 degree angle with the help of pencil and compass. My dear, I didn't use here protractor. You will not also use protractor here. Like this way you can draw 75-degree angle. Okay, it is one process. Another process also remaining. You can draw another process also, but there should be a perfect rule. Okay, so my dear, A number is finished. Let's see B number, how to draw B number. So B number question is here. For drawing B number, what you have to do? First of all,